The deep ocean hides creatures stranger than monsters in legends. Some glow in the darkness, some hide beneath the sand, and some are so small you might not even notice them before it's too late. Tonight, we descend into the world of 5 of the most dangerous creatures in the ocean. Creatures that have injured divers, paralyzed swimmers, and in some cases, ended lives within minutes. Floating almost invisibly in tropical waters is a creature scientists consider one of the most venomous animals on Earth, the box jellyfish. It drifts through warm coastal waters of northern Australia and Southeast Asia, almost transparent, almost impossible to see. But trailing behind it are tentacles filled with thousands of microscopic stinging cells, each one ready to fire venom the instant it touches skin. That venom attacks the heart, the nervous system, and the skin all at once. In Australian waters, fatal encounters with box jellyfish have been recorded for decades, especially along the northern coast, where swimmers can enter the sea without ever knowing one is nearby. And that is what makes it truly terrifying. You often never see it coming. Then there is a creature no bigger than a golf ball, beautiful enough to fool you into thinking it is harmless. The blue-ringed octopus. It lives in shallow tide pools and coral habitats across Australia and the Pacific, hiding quietly between rocks and sand. But when it feels threatened, bright blue rings suddenly flash across its body like a warning signal from the abyss. Its bite delivers a powerful neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin, a poison capable of shutting down the body, causing paralysis, and in severe cases, death. There have been cases in Australia where accidental contact with this tiny octopus led to collapse within minutes. And the most chilling part of all, the bite is often painless. Sometimes the deadliest creature does not chase you. It simply waits. The stonefish lies motionless on the ocean floor in the Indo-Pacific, disguised so perfectly as a rock that even experienced swimmers may never notice it. Its body blends into the seabed, silent and still. But along its back are venomous spines, and if someone steps on it, those spines drive venom deep into the skin. The pain is immediate and unbearable. The venom can cause swelling, tissue damage, shock, and in serious cases, death if treatment is delayed. Many injuries have happened when swimmers unknowingly stepped on what they thought was just another stone beneath the water, which means sometimes the rock beneath your foot is not a rock at all. Next comes a creature that looks harmless enough to pick up and admire. A shell, beautifully patterned, resting quietly on the sand. The cone snail. But inside that shell is a hunter armed with a tiny harpoon-like tooth. When prey comes close, it fires that harpoon with shocking speed, injecting venom strong enough to paralyze fish almost instantly. Some cone snail species carry toxins dangerous enough to seriously harm humans. There have been documented cases of people being injured after picking up cone shells, unaware that the animal inside was very much alive. And that is the trick of it. Sometimes beauty in the ocean is not a gift. Sometimes it is a warning. And then there is something even smaller, something almost invisible, the Irukandji jellyfish. So tiny it can be smaller than a fingernail, yet its sting can unleash one of the most terrifying reactions known in the sea. It lives in the waters of northern Australia, drifting silently where swimmers may never notice it. Its venom causes what doctors call Irukandji syndrome, bringing waves of severe pain, nausea, panic, vomiting, muscle cramps, and dangerously high blood pressure. Victims have described it as one of the worst pains imaginable. Hospitals along Australia's coast have treated people stung by creatures they never even saw. And that may be the darkest truth of all. The smallest things in the ocean can leave the deepest scars. The ocean covers most of our planet, yet so much of it remains unexplored, dark, silent, and unknown. Beneath the surface live creatures more alien than fiction, more deadly than they appear, and more mysterious than we are ready for. So the next time you look out across the sea, remember this: not every danger announces itself. Some drift in silence, some wait beneath your feet, and some are so small you will never know they were there until it is already too late.